Hey guys, welcome to Bits and Bytes. Today we'll customize our KDE desktop, Manjaro KDE desktop with the latte-dock and some built-in, KDE features. So first, you need to install latte-dock, and for that, go to Add and Remove Software Center and search for latte. So I have already installed it. You just install it and in a normal way. You can install it with Pacman or Mac also. But I prefer from this UI. So yeah, let's start. So go to your system settings and go to workspace behavior. Here you will find desktop effects. So here there are some cool effects. You can try this. On some of these effects you will find a video, a tutorial kind of, or demo kind of thing, a preview. So if you click on this preview, it will show how does this effect works. Enable this blur. I have already done it. Then there is Obli. So it is also enabled for me, but you can enable it. It is cool. You see this window ovalness, and this effect is responsible for this window behavior. So you can, as I told you, you can check how the effect will work on this show height video option. So if you show it, it will give a preview that how the particular effect will work. Well, so let's enable this Obli effect, and there is a slide back. Enable this one and wait. Can enable this one also. Also there is a dim screen for administrator mode. You need to enable this one also. Then go to this window manager. Okay, hit on the apply button so that all our changes are applied. Then go to Windows Manager. Here you will get the task switcher. So currently it is set on bridge. So you can check what kind of effect it will give on this particular preview button. So if we see how bridge will work, so bridge will list all the tasks on left of the screen, and you can switch from there. But we'll choose the particular large icons. So you see that a large icon will give this kind of effect, and it's good. Again apply. Then go to the KWin scripts. First install latte. Then force blur. Let's install the version 6. Then let us install maximize. Okay, cool. Then we need to enable this newly installed KWin scripts. and hit the apply button and go to the start and startup and shut down, and over here you will find this auto start. Make sure that data is added in the auto start option. If not, then go to this add menu. Here you can add the latte, add application and search for latte. You will find this and hit OK. I have already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. Well, and now let us go for the appearance section. So in appearance, we can change all these things: application style, then plasma style, color, window decorations, icon. uh, so let us change the global theme now. I mean, let us download Mac like global theme. So here search for the Monterey. So you can install both. Well, now let us apply one of these Monterey's theme, and let's see how does it looks. Yeah, this is looking good. And you can see that the icons are also little bit changed like Mac OS style. So we are not going to change the icon pack and other application styles and these things, because it is already taken care by this Monterey global theme. But definitely, and you can see that the Windows and you know Windows buttons are also kind of little bit of Mac OS style. So now we'll work on our latte-dock and application dock. So before we start, we need to remove this particular dock of the default dock what we have. So right click on it and enter on edit mode. You can go more option and directly remove this panel, but for the time being I will move it on the left side. Now go to this application launcher and search for latte and start the latte. So here you see that there are some predefined latte layouts. You can add your new layout, or you can change on the existing one. I will use this my layout and click on this my layout and go to docks and panels. Here we see that there is no docks and panels added. So click on new and add an empty panel. So it will go on the top of the screen. Add default dock, it will go to the bottom of the screen. Then apply now. So you can see that one empty panel and a default dock has been added over here. So let us close this one. Now we need to configure our dock and panels. So first configure the dock, configure the panel. So right click on the panel and click on the edit panel button. So it will show you this customization window. See here It is always visible. Okay, that is good. Go to the appearance section, and from here we can change the appearance. I'll decrease the size of the panel approximately 20 to 25 pixel. Okay, and we do not need to zoom on hover, and the maximum length I want to decrease it by 5%. Let's keep it on 95 to 100. I mean below 100 but above 95. That is good. And the length length of the margins, of course, we do not need any margin, but we need to decrease the thickness. And increase the screen edge so that it comes down a little bit. 1 to 2 pixel maximum. Yeah, so our entire panel is now visible. You can decrease the thickness further. That is the margin thickness. I don't think the margin is visible. Okay, anyway. Now let us add some effects. Let us make the background a little bit opaque, about 80%, and reduce the size of the background. It's also about 80%. Blur it, give it outline, and let's see how does it looks. You see a little bit of outline and little bit of shadow is over here, and the shadow is also rounded. Okay, that's it. I mean, now we need to add our favorite widgets on this empty panels. So let's right click on it and add widgets. Here find the menu. So you can add this application menu, or you can add this simple menu. And let us add the system tray icons. So you see that system tray access hidden icons, we will put it over here. Next, let us add pager. See, if you add multiple virtual desktop, then you can switch between them with pager. So for example, I have 3 desktops and I can switch between them with this pager. Then let us add show desktop. So it will always show the desktop. For example, if we have something open, and it will show the desktop. Anyway, yeah. Well, by the way, if you do not like this, Apple logos, and for the application menu, you can change that. I'll show you how. So right click on it, go to edit dock, application menu, click on this gear button, and here is the icon. You can choose your favorite icon from here. For example, let me choose our bits and bytes logo. So you see, you can change it, if you want. But if you really like the Apple logo, then definitely you can use that. That is also cool. Now we can, change our latte-dock. So before that, I will remove this default panel. So go to edit enter mode and go to mode option and remove panel. Well, now let's configure the latte-dock. Right click on it and go to edit dock. It will open a similar edit window. Over here, go to appearance. First change the behavior first, and go make it the justify. Alignment is now centered, so it will be on center, but the size will be only a variable size. So if you add more and more icons over here, it will increase. If you close your applications, the icons will go get removed and it will decrease. But we want that to be a fixed size, so make it justified. So now the dock is the full screen, the full length. Okay, you can make it auto hide, so it will automatically hide, and if you go to the screen edge, it will come, it will be visible. Then go to the appearance. Here you can change the length, so we'll make it about 80%. You can change it according to your need. Then you can change the size also. I'll go for below 50 pixel, or let's say 50 pixel. And yeah, we need a zoom over, but I won't zoom it that much. I like to zoom it about 50%. Okay, then again, the margin and thickness, you can reduce the thickness of the margin, and on the screen edge, give it a little bit 1 to 2 pixel, like we did in empty panel, so that it is visible totally. Then on the background, make the background a little bit more. Let the background, let it be 100%, and the opacity, let it be a little bit reduced. Let us reduce it up to 50%. Okay, and make the radius totally rounded, and give it a cool shadow effect. and give it outline. Or opacity, let us increase the opacity a little bit. Let us keep it about 75%. Okay, now let us change some effects, and here let the color be a theme color. If you like dark theme, so you can change that on the global theme also. You can use Monterey dark theme. uh, you see on the dark theme it will be look like this. So whatever, I mean, I like that. I like both, so let's keep the dark over here. Now let us add some widget on our default dock. So add widget, and let us add a dashboard, application dashboard over here, and let us add a digital clock. Over here. For the time being, I will remove this auto hide option, and I will keep it always visible. Okay, and you see these full shadow effects that come, I think, with this theme color. If you remove that with the default color, you won't get that full shadow effect. So I choose this theme color so that I get a full shadow effect. Anyway, again, like this, you can change the Apple logo here also. So go to edit dock, and you can right click over here and configure application dashboard, and from here you can choose your icon. So again, we'll choose our bits and bytes logo. Okay, and from here you can rearrange and configure your widget. So let's say if you want to keep it bring it on the left side, so you can bring it on the left side also. But I will prefer it to be on the right side. Then let us add some of our favorite applications on the on this default dock. So let's say we have already Firefox, then Dolphin, and I think add or remove is pinned over here. No, add or remove not pinned, so we will pin it. Then I will pin Ardor also. Let us pin the settings. The settings is already open, so we can right click on it and pin to launcher. You can pin your favorite applications over here. And let us remove this clock, analog clock. So edit dock and remove analog clock. Now go to this splash screen here you can change it. I mean, okay, it already have the Monterey Dark, but I like the default Manjaro splash screen. You can see the preview with this play buttons. So currently it is like this. I don't know if you can see that, but I like this default Manjaro one, so I'll keep it over here. And on the startup and shutdown, I'll go to this desktop session, sorry, login screen. In this login screen you can also change. I will add this Monterey Dark. It will ask for your password. Hey, so after a little bit of exploring, I found this. This looks better with the white theme. In global theme, I enabled Monterey normal instead of Monterey Dark. With this light theme, the shadows are better visible. We can see the shadows properly. We can see the icons properly. Now our bits and bytes logo is better, looking better, and other icons are also visible. Now here in effect tab, if you decrease the shadow size, then the shadow will become more sharp, and if you increase the shadow size, and it will become more blurry. I mean, it will become blurred. So you can customize that according to your need, what you like. And I go for 50 to 60%. Also, I added this Capel menu. You go to this add widget and get new widget, then download new and find the Capel and install the Capel menu. Then again go to add widget, then search for Capel, and you can add it over here. And also you can change the icon like we did for others. It's a small menu for shortcut of logout, restart, shutdowns. So instead of going to application menu or application dashboard for logout and shutdown, you can do it from Capel menu. Alright, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please let me know in the comment section. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.